from the company NYOAK is a 700-pound heavy-duty office chair for your personal to residential business needs. By the computer, by the desk where you need to have a chair. Check online for further details about the make and models the company offers. We're going to unbox, show you how nice they are, package description and setup, and what the chair is about. As we open up the box to show you how nicely it's presented to you in this form, protected on top when cutting and with additional foam and plastic and wrapped. We have the parts material, everything in the package with spare parts, tools, the back base with the pump, the bottom casters wrapped in foam and plastic, the arms bubble wrapped and protected, the base seat and protected again by cardboard, your crossbars, your piston, and the bottom base and caster wheels and side bars. Everything's checked out. We have an instruction guide, 6 easy steps to follow. We have the first step or 2, and we're going to unpack J, 10 bolt washers. We have a tool which is known as P for a little later use. And we have a right angle Allen key, also on an optional drill to speed up the process. In this step, we're going to take this spoked wheel, the caster and bottom base, an arm with the 2 holes and the rubber. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide them together and put down 2 number J's. And they have blue Loctite located on it. And we're simply going to place on and set up. With the Allen key, we're going to secure down. We're going to repeat this 4 more times. We're going to set up all 4. With all the J, the 8 remaining, we're going to lock down. The plastic caster wheels, we're going to place on and over and force down with the firm press on each of the ones. If we need to remove them, simply just hold the arm down and lift up, and they're easy to remove. Lift up and rotate around and place on the plastic cover that covers up the spaces. Then place over the piston and on. Place to the side. In step number 3, K, E, and G. In the packages, there are 2 sections for K. Make sure you have all 4 bolts. With the base sticker front and the knob sticker front, place on and over all 4 holes lined up with K securing down and lock into place. Step number 4, M, the nuts and the washers. The left arm and side arm located will be letters L inside the pieces. As we hold it up and we match up, placing together like so, that the arm falls down and lifts up. As we turn them to the side like so, we drop in a washer and a nut, and we lock down. These are nylon nuts. Blue goes up and lock into place with the P tool like so. You're going to repeat for the other side. with L and then N. With the left arm or right arm, the back of the seat, the base of the seat, the four located areas of interest, we're going to now lock in our arm with the bolts. At the end of the install of the arms, the covers go on. Place the back and align. Place in the bolt. Secure down each bolt. With each cap cover, lock into place. Reposition the arm down to lock in the last two. And repeat for the opposite side. With the bottom caster and wheels and the seat match up the bottom hole to the seat. Simply slide on like so and lift the chair up and sit to confirm in. Your chair is now built and ready for use. Up to 700-pound capacity, wide all around. Pull the spring out to spring back. Push up, off to lift up for a maximum height. You have a pump for lumbar support. About 59, 60 presses. We are nice and firm. And this is your chair. The arms lift up and out of the way. It has a back that leans back a little bit more than a straight 90-degree. It is a nice wide chair. We'll give you some measurements. As we lower the chair down, just a drop and out. This is the lumbar support area that was pumped up. To release, simply press the button, air escapes, and the lumbar softens. The leather-like material with a diamond-like design, a badge-like design with black, gray, and white all around, stitching. Your hamstring leg support, side of the buttocks, your side of the shoulder and back, your center and upper shoulder blade and head rest. And your arms padded as well. With lifting the chair up to the highest level, the base of the chair measures with the cushion support around 22 inches. The width of the chair from the length of the side, the width of the chair of the base is 21 inches. With both arms from the interior side is 22 inches. And to the outside, 28.5 inches. In the back area, 21.5 inches. And from the base to the top, roughly around 28, 29 inches. With the chair being at its lowest form, going down to the floor, raises a number of inches. The lowest base of the chair measures around 19 inches versus 22 inches at the highest level of the chair. From the floor to the back of the chair measures about 47 inches, and lifting up to the very top of the chair will measure about 50 inches in total height. This is your chair with lumbar support, leather-like material, extra large, heavy-duty 700-pound chair for your desk work. In the back of the chair, if you want to put magazines or the pump after not using, we have a little area of interest that we could place in nice and tight. And this is where you'll put it in. For around the house where you need at the office, a nice executive chair. I hope you enjoy your chair if this is something that you are looking for in your comfort needs. Thank you for viewing. Enjoy your chair if this is right for you.